Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we are from Group 10. We are going to present our analyzing about novel The Years of the Voiceless. Well, this novel is talk about in 1950 era, where the women in Indonesia were very weak to struggle with their life, to protect their children, and even their bodies. This novel was taught about feminism in New Order era, where the socio-political system is under Suharto. Okay, we will explain about the plot, setting, characteristic in this novel and its structure. Also, we are going to tell you about the moral value. Here we go.
Summaries for the novel. Told through two perspectives, namely Sumarni and Rahayu. This novel tells the story of two different ages. Different time, of course, different thinking too. Marni is a Japanese girl who is illiterate and does not understand religion. She worships as her ancestors worshipped. She always prayed to inanimate objects and give offering to ancestors. Her mother once said that just being able to eat every day, she should be able to be grateful. But Marni had different talk with people in her era. She did not want to only be able to eat every day. She wanted to have a bra or entrance, have money and life a rich life so that this child could later go to school and not feel poverty like her. She also did not remain silent. She worked hard every day in order to realize her dream. While Rahayu, Marni's only child, is a modern girl who understands how to read and understand religion. She had what her mother did. Everyone in the village said that her mother had tuyul and did pesugihan or black magic to get much money, to get rich. Rahayu had taught her mother how to worship properly and asked her to stop working in an improper way. But her mother had her own stand. She always feels what her ancestors taught her and the work she does is right. Marni and Rahayu always disagree, but there is one thing that makes them one voice. They both feel the cruelty of those in power, oppression and coercion of people who are weak and have nothing happening everywhere. The setting places are Singget, Merangat Market, Mingis River Fort, Yogyakarta and Magelang. The setting time is January 1999 and then 1915 and the last is 1982. The plot is regressive. Regressive is disclosure of stories from the point of events that happened past to the present. The characters of the story are Rahayu, Sumarni, Simbo, Pakle, Tejo, and Merces Dimah. The point of view is first-person point of view.
In this novel is about New Order or socio-political system under Suharto. The issue in this novel, there are many issues that we can take from this novel, but we are more focused to explain about the feminism, especially in the New Order in socio-political system under Suharto. As we know that in the novel, the woman right is lower than the sun, like a sun, and the woman, the right of the woman is different from the man. So that the woman cannot live and make a social life things like the man. So the right between man and female is different. So about feminism, in this novel, for example, is about the illegal relationship between man and female, and it was gave bad effect to the woman. In that era, the woman cannot do much thing to protect themselves and their children. Because of the discrepancy of the gender and social.
The moral value from this novel is we have to open our mind for a living as a woman, because we are very lucky to live in this modern era and can do some activities same as a man.